Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Boy. Today we got something, so let's start. What is this? Something. Let us check what is it. It's orange in color. What could it be? Nerf, Nerf. How many guns are there inside? I guess 1, 2, 3. It's very difficult to open or what? Yeah, 4. You can see the biggest gun properly, I guess. It's very tough to open. Really? Nerf. Oh, these guns are ultra alpha strike, I guess. Alpha strike blasters. Oh, guns are great here. 5 guns total. Hey, there's bullets. Oh, nice shot. The biggest gun did. The biggest gun shot is so great. Okay, this is the second biggest gun. This shot is also great. Hey, this is a medium bigger. Oh, this is a bit smaller, I guess. Whoa, what will this gun do? Wow, this gun's bullet is also stronger. Fall down. Okay, that's it for today. Bye, friends, for now.